We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2020 Harley-Davidson Softail Heritage Classic in Tahitian teal. This is one of my favorite paint jobs that Harley has come out with lately. I love the mini bar and shield pattern that they put inside the paint stripes. We also have these beautiful spoked wheels. This bike does have ABS front and rear. We have inject guards front and rear as well. Rider floorboards. And these saddlebags are the best. They are leather, they are structured, they are hard mounted, and they lock. I also love the new studs they've been putting on the Heritage motorcycles lately. This has the 107 cubic inch engine and a nice tall windshield. Perfect commuter bike for the freeway, small, long trips, anything. We run on a fob, so we are keyless, and miles are only 2,006. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides.